All right, John, here's your 347 small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. Got a set of our As Cast heads. Got the Edelbrock manifold, Holley throttle body, fuel management, Holley Terminator X, custom ground hydraulic roller. It's got a front sump oil pan. Got your alternator on there. Make sure it charges for you. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3500s, 396 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 407, peaks horsepower 429. So we're rated 425. It's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. That's the EFI. We'll go ahead and pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, and I'll show you a couple other things. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information, engine build specs, things of that nature, dyno video, a lot of tech tips. So I highly recommend to plug in and watch it. Also, on the engine will be this tag, have the engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look up information about your engine. Also, if you flip it around, basically there'll be this here, this URL code. You can punch on that and there'll be a lot of tech stuff that's linked to that. So lots of information there. Take good use of it. Have a great day.